Hey guys! So today I'm gonna show you how to make Gilgeori. Gilgeori is a Korean street food. You can also call it a Korean street toast. I am really into Korean cooking and I really want to show you how you don't need Korean ingredients to make a lot of Korean foods. Like Korean cuisine is fairly compatible with the Indian kitchen depending on what you're making, obviously. But yeah, this one is really easy and quick to assemble. You can make this for a breakfast, you can make this like a snack, anything works. You just need like very basic ingredients for this. You need cabbage, carrot, you can use beans. I didn't have any. I also added onion and I also sliced up some green chili and that was it. And you need one egg, obviously. And bread. That's it. Like that's literally it. And you just have to be a little careful when you're making it, but other than that, nothing else. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. So here we go.
I'm gonna start off with the cabbage and trying to slice them as thinly as I can. Next, some onion. Try to slice them as thinly as you possibly can. My knife skills are not very good. So the carrot, you can slice them like matchsticks or you can just grate them. I think I should have grated them, but whatever. This worked. And now that we're done with the veggies, add it to the bowl. We have some cabbage, onion and carrot. I also sliced some green chili and it's at the bottom of the bowl. I'm gonna squeeze the veggies to let them soften up a bit. I'm also adding some salt. You can also add some black pepper, crushed black pepper. So doing this whole squeezing thing kind of helps the veggies soften up as they were pretty stiff earlier. Keep doing this for about 30 seconds and you'll start noticing it's getting softer. This is also going to help it cook better. Yep, done. Next, I'm going to add in one egg, just one whole egg. And you give it a nice mix. I could not record that part because obviously I was holding the phone in one hand and the spoon in the other. But this is what it's going to look like after mixing. Next, I'm going to heat up a frying pan and add some butter. I used this frying pan for making an omelette and it was fairly greased, so I did not add a lot of butter. Spread it. I'm going to do everything on a low to medium heat. Like that is what you're looking for. So you're going to burn it. I'm going to add in the mixture now and I'm going to push it from the edges, push it inwards from the edges and make it like a rough square. You are looking to make it a rough square and this is the only technical part of the entire recipe. Pat it down a little so it's a bit more compact and it cooks better. I'm cooking it on low medium heat. I'm going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes and keep repeating the entire pushing inwards thing. Pat it down a little. It's been cooking for about 3 minutes now. Next I'm going to flip it. This is the color you need. This is the browning that you need it to be. And it was cooked just to the extent that it was brown like this and I could even flip it without breaking. Your reference point for the square thingy has to be your bread slice. That's the size you need it to be. Also, it's been cooking the other side for about 3 minutes now and I'm going to take this off and I'll prep my bread. There's just a bit of butter and I'm going to lightly toast it up. And I'll do the same with the other slice of bread as well. And it's done. Next, I'm going to plate it. First, you place your slice of bread. Then you add your this thing. And you get your second slice of bread. But wait. First, I'm going to add in some ketchup. You can add as much as you want. This is how much I wanted. Also, you're going to add in some sugar. You can also add mustard sauce. Koreans add a lot more sugar. It adds a very nice crunch and flavor contrast. You can add a lot of ketchup to this, obviously. Then I'm going to close it. and it's done. And our Gilgeori toast is ready, Korean street toast. Although I don't know why they call it a Korean street toast, it's more like a sandwich. But it tastes amazing and it looks amazing and it's heavy. You can slice it up and share it with someone or just have it as a meal.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you try this recipe, let me know, send me a picture, or if you share it somewhere, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your tries of these recipes. Also, if you want to learn more about how to make Korean foods in the Indian kitchen, or just like really easy Korean recipes or even baking recipes, make sure you subscribe. Bye!